How to read nutrition labels for fat content. When you walk down a grocery aisle, nutrition labels can feel overwhelming. Calories, protein, carbs, they all get attention, but fat content is just as important. Not all fats are created equal. Some support your heart, brain, and cellular health, while others can increase long-term disease risk. In this video, we'll break down how to read information on nutrition labels so you can make smarter, healthier choices every time you shop. Start with total fat. The first number you'll see on a label is total fat, usually in grams per serving. But always check the serving size. A small package may actually contain multiple servings, which means you'll need to multiply the fat content if you eat it all. For references, general guidelines suggest about 44 to 77 grams of total fat per day on a 2,000 calorie diet, roughly 20 to 35% of your total calories. Check the types of fat. This is where the real story is. Saturated fats, usually solid at room temperature like butter, fatty meats, and cheese. Too much can raise LDL, the bad cholesterol, especially paired with a diet consisting of refined carbs and sugar. Aim to keep it under 10% of your daily calories, about 20 grams per day if this is your type of diet. Otherwise, you can consume more of them without any potential problems. Trans fats, found in partially hydrogenated oils, fried foods, and some baked goods. Even a small amount are harmful. Aim for 0 grams and always check the ingredient list, since products with less than 0.5 gram per serving can legally claim 0 gram. Unsaturated fats, these are the good guys. Monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts help reduce LDL cholesterol. Polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3s and omega-6 from fish, flax seeds, and sunflower oil, support brain and heart health. If the label doesn't list them, look at the ingredient list for nuts, seeds, or plant oils. Look at the percentage daily value, %DV. The %DV tells you how much a nutrient contributes to your daily intake. 5% or less is low. 20% or more is high. For example, if a food shows 10 grams of saturated fat at 50% DV, that's half your daily limit in just one serving. Read the ingredient list. The ingredient list can reveal the quality of fats. Avoid hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils. They're sources of trans fats. Look for healthier fats like olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, nuts, or seeds. Be cautious of highly processed snacks. They often use refined vegetable oils stripped of nutrients. Balance context with the whole diet. Not all high-fat foods are unhealthy. An avocado may have a high total fat number, but it's mostly heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. A bag of chips may show less fat, but could be filled with refined oil and trans fats. Always consider the type and source of fat, not just the total grams. Practical tips. Prioritize foods with unsaturated fats like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Limit saturated fats, but moderate amounts from natural sources like coconut oil, dairy, or meat product are fine. Avoid trans fats completely and double check the ingredient list. Compare product. For instance, natural peanut butter with only peanuts and salt is far healthier than one with added hydrogenated oils. The key takeaway? Reading nutrition labels for fat isn't just about the total fat number. It's about understanding the quality, type, and proportion of fats in your diet. By focusing on healthy, unsaturated fats, limiting saturated fats, and avoiding trans fats, you can make choices that protect your heart, brain, and cellular health. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical, science-backed fats and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. See ya!